Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about the best deodorant bottle mockup design in Photoshop. So please watch this video till the end. After knowing its full features, you can then decide whether to choose this mockup design for your brand or not. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Deodorant bottle mockup is a PSD editable template ideal for making any design presentation with almost 3 simple steps in a few seconds. This PSD mockup template presents you with the most effective way to display your design. With premium quality, great creativity, and a high level of usability to convert your regular work to your amazing work. As a result, you will get rich and advanced functionality powered by a smart object, which meant you can place your design in an intuitive way with automatic perspectives, shadow, and light management. You only need to place your design intro to the smart object, and they will generate a high-impact product shoot. In addition, you will get free support if you need. We usually respond to support requests within 24 hours on weekdays, depending on the number of requests in a queue. Features: get 5 PSD files with similar settings in the layers. This makes it easy to customize. Changing perspectives and layer masking are not needed. Simply place your design. Easy customization using Smart Object Layer. You'll find a PDF help file. Easy to place your design. Clipping paths are included. Well layers organization. High resolution 300 dpi color mode. RGB. Photoshop 100%. Very nice look.